First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. Then I let my trunk beat, then I let my trunk got.
Sack more drugs in the back, my streets fall flat, we rope like that. Hit this nigga beat from a mile of the street, can't nobody see, better call the police. Stopping down the block on my hand, I'm a Glock, try to get for a whip, that heat will pop. I'm in love, cat feelings, fast feelings, and casket feelings. Candy paint dripping through the lane, hot slugs burning through your brain. We run thing, get bust, get blood stains all up in your thing. I ain't even gotta ride no more, got something to make you die for more. We slide on those and rock on more, crack pills every time I buy the rolls.
Let my wheel spin,
Then she lets the penny for you, fucking so real, nigga, friends they coming, bitch, don't come. Talking like pussy, got condos on top of buildings, so I'ma let my wheels spin, my nigga, let your wheels spin.
first I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. Then I let my trunk beat, then I let my trunk beat. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. First I let my wheel spin, then I let my screen fall. Then I let my trunk beat, then I let my trunk beat.
Okay, I'm in a Chevy two-tone and I'm sitting high with windmills on the bottom, so I'm flying by. My candy paint done just ripped them up rims, so now they
y'all niggas don't need pockets, broke niggas got lean pockets. I got them hot pockets, make them bitches stop and drop it. Run up on me, you wanna test me, watch how fast I cock and pop it. Pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it. That's what I told the bitch. Come and grab another stand, come and help me throw the shit. Still up on the social shit, leaning kinda low the shit. Let me get that Billy in this rose, I'm tryna